Hello guys, welcome to IMMA'S kitchen. Today we are going to be making mango pudding with a thin layer of jello on top. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you click the subscribe and bell button for notifications. First we'll start with cleaning and opening a can of mango pulp. Now we are going to strain the mango pulp into a small bowl. You can use a spoon to strain out the remaining liquid. In another big bowl, pour in 1 liter of 35% cream. Add in 1 1/4 cups of white sugar. Add a pinch of salt, mix well, and make sure the sugar and the salt are completely dissolved. Now we are going to add the mango pulp to the cream mixture and mix well. In a separate bowl, add 35 grams of gelatin and add 1 cup of warm water and stir together. Once your gelatin is ready, add it to the bowl. Add another cup of warm water and add 1 1/2 cups of cool water. Stir all these ingredients together and now it is ready to pour. I'm going to be using 2 trays. In my first tray, which could hold 3 liters of liquid, I'm going to be pouring 1 1/2 liters of the mango pudding mixture. My second tray can hold 2 liters of liquid. I'm going to be pouring 1 liter of the mango pudding mixture. You can serve this dessert in a couple different ways. If you want to be a little bit more fancy for special occasions, you could pour it into these individual glass cups, or if you like to take it to go, you could pour it into these small plastic cups. Use a spoon or a toothpick to pop the bubbles. Cover the trays and refrigerate for 5+ hours. The smaller containers will take about 2 hours to fully solidify. Now we are going to start the jello portion. Add 1 cup of water to a pot at high heat. Add 5 packets of jello to the pot. After you add the jello, turn off the heat and then stir and make sure all the jello crystals are dissolved. Now add 1 cup of cold water, stir for a couple minutes and try to release all the steam. I start to make the jello when I know the mango pudding is completely solidified. You can now pour a thin layer of the jello over the mango mixture. The trays and refrigerate for another 2 to 3 hours. To check if the pudding is ready, you should gently shake the tray. It should still jiggle but still be firm at the same time. Now that your pudding is ready, you can slice and serve. This recipe is great for parties. It could serve about 20 to 25 people. Another great thing is you could also make this the night before and it'll still taste as great. Please make sure you subscribe, like, share, and comment. If there are any recipes you would like to see, please comment down below.